In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Photopea locally. Running Photopea locally means installing it as an app on your device so you can open it directly from your computer instead of visiting the website each time. To begin, open any web browser on your computer and search for Photopea. Press enter and then click on the official Photopea website from the search results. Once you enter the website, you will arrive at the Photopea editor interface. In many cases, you will see an option called Install Photopea directly on the screen. If this option appears, simply click on it and a small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation of the Photopea app on your device. Click Install and the app will be added to your computer so you can run it locally. If you do not see the Install option on the main screen, you can try another method. Go to the top of the Photopea interface and click on the More option. From the drop-down menu, you may see an option labeled Install Photopea. Click on it, and the same installation pop-up will appear where you can confirm the installation. Another method works if you are using Google Chrome. Click on the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser. From the menu that opens, hover your mouse over Cast, Save, and Share. In the side menu, you will find the option Install Photopea. Clicking this option will again open the installation pop-up so you can install the app on your device. If none of these options appear, there is still one more way. Look at the right side of the browser's address bar and you may see a small download or install icon. Clicking on this icon will also open the same installation window. From there, you simply click Install and Photopea will be added as an application on your computer. After the installation is complete, you can close the browser and open Photopea anytime directly from your computer. You can launch it by clicking the Photopea icon on your taskbar, double-clicking the desktop shortcut that was created, or searching for Photopea using the Windows search box. Once opened, the editor will run locally on your device just like a regular application, and this is how you can run Photopea locally.